Hi all, today is Friday. Let's walk through our learning plan for the last day of the week. For phonics today, go ahead and have your child reread that decodable. They should be getting very fluent in that by now. And they also have another day to work through those comprehension questions and finish those up that they started yesterday. Spelling, do one more practice round of those spelling words using your spelling learning menu. And then please give your child a traditional spelling paper pencil test. And I would love to see pictures of those spelling tests to see how they're progressing and give some feedback. All right, in writing, using all of their materials from this week, their graphic organizers, their story about their community, they went through and edited it, made sure they had capitalization using this poster. Today is the final day that they can be proud of all the work they have done, and they can read their story out loud to a family member. They can record them reading the story and send it to me. Or if you're feeling super tech savvy and you would like to use an app like Seesaw, they can record it on there and they can have that sent to me so I can see it. That would be awesome. For math today, they are working on fact fluency like we've done the previous weeks. Have a timer set for 5 minutes. They have 5 minutes to work on the addition side. They are encouraged to skip over any problems they don't know, but they should not be using strategies such as drawing little dots. The only strategy that we should be using is putting our number in our head and then quickly adding up. Or putting our number in our head, our small number in our head, and adding up to the big number. That's a good strategy for subtraction. Same thing on the subtraction side, set a timer for 5 minutes and have your child complete as many as they can. So that strategy I was saying, so like 11 minus 5, one way we do that in class was subtraction. We know that we need to put the small number, the 5, in our head, stop when we get to 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I would encourage that strategy. They know that is 6. That is a quicker and more automatic way than doing dots or other strategies like that. All right. Also in math, we have a race to the dollar game. We have put the paperclip right on there. So the directions are also on the top, but all they have to do, put the paperclip in the middle and use a pencil to hold it down like a pointer. And now it's turned into a spinner. With a partner or with an adult, their job is to see how many spins it takes them to add up to $1. So they're using those coins. Hard to see over the screen, but in person you can see the different presidents' faces, so they know the size and look of those coins. So that's a fun little game for Friday math. All right, for science and social studies today, it's another day of Mystery Doug. If you would like links directly to that, those are on our online version of the learning plan. They're also typed out here. All you need to do is type this link into your browser, and it will come up with our interactive video. Today's video is all about how your heart pumps blood. There's a cool activity that goes with it, as well as some other educational resources that it gives you links to. So that is Friday's science. All right, guys, as always, thank you to those parents who give me feedback, to those who send pictures. I love being able to interact with your child in that way, give them some tips on their work and some feedback. And as always, if you have questions, please reach out. I'm here to help. Have an awesome Friday and a great weekend.